Abeegi omu kwesharinga kwabo babiri bajwire ebijwaro bya kinekye obwe barikworeka obutashemerwa habw'ebishare ebirikwongyera obwira bwashesha omu muringo gutarikukyengwa.
Itwe Abeegi ba Kabale University tushemereirwe reason emitwaro 3 turashashura hanyuma y'esande 3 n'emitwaro 5 bateekaho hanyuma y'esande mushanje tikikire omwana mu Kabale ha Kabale University aboja ni public university tushemeye kuba turaba twine rights as students.
Accidentally resolved that there is a surcharge. Now I wonder to those students who just come and click, I am paying all my pending issues. If I pay accidentally that surcharge and rate registration, yet the time has not been what? Initiated.
We are being charged charges invoices that we don't know where they come from. The funding is surcharge and then rate registration. This money is not paid by other public universities. Yet as Kabale University we pay that money.
Tukamushaba Amosoridin w'Abeegi ba University nagira ngu Abeegi enshonga egi nebakwataho. Sente za surcharges z'Abeegi barikushashura bakyererwa okushashura zongiirwe okuruga ha mitwaro 3 okuza ha mitwaro 8.
So that the next semester you pay this. You don't pay the same amount. That's what it should be. If it is a last semester, for example, you are completing your course, your program, then you will reduce it as you are registering for graduation.
Omuchandike ekishohozi bwa Professor Joy Agacencwire orikwebembera itendekero nayereka ngu abebembezi ba university egi bahereze kushaba ngu sente za surcharges zirugiho habeho ekifubiro kya sente zirikwingana emitwaro 5 ahamwe ejo rakyererwa kwehandikisa buri semester. Godfrey Sempungu ori omugambirizi wa university egi nagira ngu habireho n'ebindi ebiriyo nibikorwa okumaraho enshobi zoona omu university egi.
Waliwo olukiiko lwatula last week sabbiiti ewedde nga wakati w'abakulembeze b'abayizi era n'abakulembeze n'abakulu b'ettendekero ensonga ezo ne ziwona zijjibwayo era ziddibwamu ng'abakulu ba university olukiiko olwa waggulu lutudde naye era nga ekimu ku binyinza okunokolayo kwe kukakasa nti ffe tuwuliriza abayizi abakozi n'abalala abaleeta ensonga oba oli awo ezinaatwala ettendekero mu maaso.
Gasha kwa Job n'amanya.